Yurt. What's good, YouTube? JD here, back with yet another review for you guys. So Salehe Bembury, one of the most influential people in the world of sneakers right now. Literally any shoe this guy puts out right now is an absolute banger. And the sneakers I'm gonna talk about in this video, wow, look how big they are. The sneakers I'm gonna be talking about in this video are some of the most interesting sneakers to come out this year. I'll be getting into the New Balance Salehe Bembury 574 Yurt. So what is good, guys? To all my long-term viewers, welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new here, my name is Josh and I do sneaker reviews, sneaker content, how to style sneakers, all that good stuff. If you are into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that red button right there, bottom right. It really helps me out. And of course, follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here at JDKick6, dropping a ton of content on there as well. Now let's get into the video. So in this video, I will be breaking down this crazy, absolutely crazy looking pair of sneakers. I'll get into the functionality of this sneaker, everything from the traction, and of course, we are gonna talk about that whistle. I'll talk about the quality of the shoe. We'll get into sizing. We'll look at prices right now, talk about whether or not these are worth it. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Before we begin the review, I wanted to let you guys know New Balance is actually having an affiliate-only sale right now. And that is from today, the day this video drops, November the 8th, till the end of the week, November the 12th. You can get 20% off select styles if you use the code FEAST. And the link to that exclusive sale is in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. Plenty of products on there. You can get 20% off all of it, of course. Use the code FEAST. Once again, the offer is only valid until the end of the week. That is November the 12th. So make sure you guys check that out. So woo, look at that, man. Look at these sneakers. Salehe Bembury 574 Yurt. Just look at the size of this thing. So when preparing for this review, the first thing I thought I should do was maybe find out what exactly is a yurt. It is some kind of tent that you use for camping, so that should pretty much tell you everything you need to know about this shoe. It is definitely a very outdoors themed sneaker. The pair I have in my hand, this is the olive and green colorway. There was also another pair that dropped, a gray, I believe that was called a shark skin colorway. Both of these colorways pretty nice, pretty clean in my opinion. I guess that one is more of a classic New Balance color, those grays and whites. This one definitely gives me a lot more of an outdoorsy type of vibe. And if you watch the preview for this collab, you might have noticed there are several other colorways that are likely gonna drop. We got this bright pink and white pair. There's also this, probably my personal favorite, this aqua green turquoise colorway. And also, if you look closely, there is this potential black colorway that could be dropping as well. And it wasn't just sneakers that dropped. Alongside this, we had what, in my opinion, was one of the strongest apparel drops for any sneaker collab this year. I had to go ahead and cop this absolutely sick hat, which was part of that drop. Shout out to Salehe for making clothes that look just as good as the shoes. Let's start off by looking at this box. As with every Salehe collab so far this year, we've been getting these beautiful boxes that look like pieces of art. This time, of course, it features a picture of that yurt style tent. And opening up the sneaker, of course, the very first thing you will notice is this whistle on the back. Now, sneakers have been a thing for a very long time now, maybe 50 years. And we've seen pretty much everything on a sneaker. However, we have yet to see someone throw a whistle on a sneaker. Even though it might seem like a bit of a gimmick to a lot of people, I think it's really cool. It's pretty unique and it really is a talking point of the shoe. I don't know when exactly I would use that whistle. Now, I'm not like the biggest outdoorsy person. I don't really go camping. That's not really my thing. But would you blow this whistle in the woods? I feel like every single bear will hear it and have the easiest dinner of their lives. Seems a bit dangerous. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, guys. Would you blow this whistle if you are out there camping? Salehe also went on his Instagram and issued a challenge to everyone. He dared people to try to blow the whistle while wearing the shoes on their feet. And of course, you know, your boy had to give it a try. Oh. That was easy, man. Name another YouTuber that flexible. There aren't any. But getting back to the shoe, the other major thing I noticed about this shoe was just how huge it is. I mean, this thing is massive, and I got this in my normal size. I got this in a size 11, which is all these New Balances you see back here. Before getting this sneaker, the biggest shoe in my collection was this pair, the Sacai Vapor Waffles. But even these Sacais, when I put it side by side with the Yurt, you can see the outsole is slightly bigger, especially at the back. Yeah, man, these things are massive. They're pretty much like Balenciaga Triple S size. This outsole though, the traction on this is crazy. Like, this actually feels definitely like a hiking shoe. And on this outsole, you can see that there are some bits of brown color. I actually thought that I got a dirty pair by mistake at first, but that's simply a speckle pattern that they threw onto the outsole, I guess just to give it a bit more of an outdoorsy type of feel. The outsole is filled with that Absorb technology, which is incredibly comfortable. If you have worn any 990s, basically, it does also have that Absorb technology. You know how comfortable that is? So yeah, this is definitely a pretty good shoe for hiking. The upper is made out of a combination of suede as well as mesh. And as you can see, the suede parts of the shoe done in this really nice hairy suede material. Nothing surprising there. When it comes to quality, New Balance basically cannot be touched at this point. It's weird, even as I am doing this review, the more and more I look at the shoe, the more I really like this colorway. These colors really work. You have this olive color, the blue, you have hits of this maroon color on the side as well, and these nice hits of orange in just the right places. Yeah, I actually think because of the outdoors theme of this shoe, this actually makes it a better colorway for me than the shark skin pair. Now, a sneaker like this, it definitely can seem intimidating, especially for styling it. Because of how big this shoe looks on feet, I would definitely suggest wearing pants that are a bit more flowy. Tapered pants is not the way to go in these. I don't even think joggers would look good with this. You need pants that are a bit more flowy, so that way this shoe doesn't look as big as it does. So I would suggest like a straight fitting pant. Those would be the best in these. For sizing purposes, yeah, even though these are massive, just go true to size. These do not actually fit like other New Balances, for example, the 990 series. A lot of people say that they go a half size down in 990s because they fit kind of wide. For me, these do not fit like the 990s. They fit, in fact, a bit smaller, so I would actually go true to size. I also personally go true to size in 990s, but I do like a bit of a roomier fit in my shoes. But if you normally go a half size down in 990s, I would suggest going true to size in these. Looking at prices on these, yeah, both this colorway as well as that shark skin pair, there's pretty much no resale on it. We're talking maybe 40 to 50 bucks above retail, which for a Salehe New Balance collab, especially if you look at any of those 2002 Rs, the prices on those, they are quite low. Understandable, this sneaker really not for everyone. However, I do kind of think because this is a Salehe collab, and in general, those collabs have in the past been very limited, I think it's the same with this pair as well. Add the fact that there is a whistle on the shoe, I do think that because of the uniqueness of this pair, over time, we might see the prices start to go up. So if you are on the fence to get a pair, I would say it's better to cop it right now while the prices are this low, because I don't really see them going any lower. Overall, the Salehe New Balance 574 Yurt, are these a cop or a drop? Although I do think that whistle at the back is cool and I like the colorway, I think overall I'm not the biggest fan of the silhouette. It's quite a difficult shoe to wear and I don't really know how much use I'm gonna get out of it. But I do think if you are definitely an outdoors person, you like to go hiking, this is definitely a good cop, a must cop maybe. But otherwise, I just feel like there's been so many amazing New Balance collabs this year, which, you know what, I would rather spend my money on those right now rather than cop these. So for me, actually, I would give these a pass. But that's just my opinion. Let me know down in the comments. What do you guys think? How do you feel about this? What do you guys think of that whistle? What do you think generally of this sneaker overall? Would love to know your thoughts as always, so definitely leave that in the comments. Do not forget about that New Balance affiliate sale going on right now until November the 12th. The link is in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. Use the code FEAST to get 20% off. The on feet about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much for stopping by once again and for messing with the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.